The job description of an engineering manager revolves around leading technical teams, overseeing engineering projects, and ensuring that both technical quality and organizational goals are achieved. Engineering managers act as a bridge between upper management and the engineering team, combining leadership skills with technical expertise to drive product development, system improvements, and innovation. They are commonly found in software development, manufacturing, construction, mechanical engineering, electronics, aerospace, and various other fields where engineering plays a critical role in business operations. Engineering managers are tasked with not only setting the direction for engineering teams but also aligning technical goals with business strategies. They provide mentorship, establish team workflows, and maintain high standards for code quality, design, safety, and efficiency depending on the specific engineering domain. These professionals must strike a balance between managerial responsibilities and technical guidance, ensuring timelines are met without sacrificing quality or team morale. Their involvement in day-to-day operations may vary depending on company size and project complexity. In a startup, for instance, an engineering manager might still write code or create schematics, whereas in larger organizations, the focus is more on planning, coordination, and performance management. Either way, they are expected to build a culture of accountability, learning, and collaboration within the team. Core responsibilities of an engineering manager. An engineering manager's responsibilities begin with leading and structuring the engineering team. This includes recruiting skilled engineers, assigning roles based on expertise, and ensuring a proper balance of talent across multiple projects. Once the team is in place, the manager's role expands into defining project scopes, timelines, and deliverables in consultation with stakeholders and other department heads. One of their key duties is overseeing project execution. Engineering managers monitor progress through regular stand-ups, sprint reviews, status meetings, or milestone reports. They evaluate whether the work is proceeding according to design specifications, budget, and deadlines, and they take proactive steps to remove any blockers that could hinder progress. The engineering manager is responsible for maintaining high technical standards within the team. They set development protocols, code review procedures, or design checklists that help ensure the integrity of outputs. In mechanical or civil engineering contexts, this could involve inspecting structural designs or validating blueprints, while in software engineering, it might include enforcing code modularity or test coverage benchmarks. In the middle of these responsibilities, the job description of an engineering manager highlights the need for cross-functional collaboration. Managers frequently interact with product teams, designers, quality assurance specialists, and customer success departments to align the technical aspects of a product or solution with real-world use cases and business requirements. They translate broad company goals into actionable engineering tasks, fostering a mutual understanding between technical and non-technical teams. Another major component is team development. Engineering managers mentor junior staff, facilitate knowledge sharing, and organize training sessions to ensure continuous skill development. They also conduct performance appraisals, offer feedback, and identify growth paths for engineers within the organization. A good engineering manager creates a work environment where engineers are empowered, motivated, and capable of advancing in their careers. Risk management is also part of the engineering manager's function. Whether dealing with delays, technical debt, hardware failure, or compliance issues, engineering managers must be able to assess risk and implement mitigation strategies. This includes contingency planning, revisiting architectural decisions, or negotiating adjusted timelines with clients or executives. Essential skills and competencies for engineering managers. To excel in this role, engineering managers must possess a mix of leadership capabilities, technical knowledge, and interpersonal skills. Foremost among these is technical competence. While an engineering manager may not be involved in daily development or design, they must understand the technical processes enough to guide, evaluate, and support the team. Whether it's circuit design, back-end architecture, or CAD modeling, foundational knowledge is crucial. Strong leadership is equally essential. Engineering managers must inspire trust and command respect while leading with transparency and integrity. They should be adept at giving constructive feedback, managing conflict, and setting realistic yet ambitious goals for the team. The ability to lead by example, especially under pressure, is one of the distinguishing traits of a high-performing engineering manager. Communication skills play a central role. Engineering managers often act as translators between business language and engineering language. They need to articulate complex technical details to non-engineers and interpret executive-level direction into tangible action plans. Written communication is also key for documenting processes, reports, and decision logs. Organizational and project management abilities are non-negotiable. Engineering managers juggle multiple timelines, teams, and initiatives simultaneously. Familiarity with project management tools like Jira, Asana, or Trello, and methodologies like Agile, Scrum, or Waterfall is usually expected. Time management and prioritization are critical to prevent burnout and ensure a steady delivery cadence. Empathy and emotional intelligence add further value. Managing a team isn't just about tasks and timelines, it's about people. Understanding individual strengths, struggles, and motivations allows engineering managers to bring out the best in their teams. Empathetic leadership fosters loyalty, productivity, and collaboration. Adaptability is vital in industries where technology or client requirements evolve rapidly. Engineering managers must be willing to pivot strategies, adopt new technologies, or revise processes based on changing circumstances or feedback. This mindset of continuous improvement helps both the team and the organization remain competitive. Work environment and industry expectations. Engineering managers work in varied environments depending on the industry. In tech companies, they may work primarily from offices or remote setups, focusing on software development and digital tools. In manufacturing or construction, they often spend time on site inspecting progress and coordinating with field engineers and vendors. Regardless of location, the role often requires long hours, especially when leading major product releases or dealing with urgent production issues. One of the biggest challenges in this role is managing complexity. Engineering projects often span multiple teams, technologies, and phases, and even minor miscommunications can cascade into delays or budget overruns. Engineering managers need to ensure that project goals are clear, that dependencies are managed, and that team morale is maintained despite inevitable setbacks. Another challenge is talent retention. In fast-paced industries like software or hardware development, skilled engineers are in high demand. It falls on the engineering manager to create an engaging work culture where engineers feel valued, challenged, and supported in their growth. Despite these challenges, the position is incredibly rewarding. Engineering managers see their leadership transform ideas into tangible results, whether it's launching a new app, constructing a bridge, designing an engine, or implementing a factory automation system. The sense of ownership and impact is profound. Education, training, and career pathways. Most engineering manager positions require at least a bachelor's degree in a relevant field such as mechanical engineering, computer science, electrical engineering, or civil engineering. Many employers prefer candidates with a master's degree or an MBA, especially in more strategic or cross-functional roles. In fields like software, prior experience as a senior developer or tech lead is often a prerequisite. Certifications such as PMP, Project Management Professional, Six Sigma, or Agile, Scrum Master can strengthen a candidate's profile, particularly in organizations that emphasize formal project methodologies. For licensed professions, such as civil or electrical engineering, a professional engineer (PE) license may be required. Training in team management, emotional intelligence, and communication is also recommended. Many engineering managers grow into the role organically, rising from the ranks of senior engineers, but leadership training and mentorship can accelerate their effectiveness and readiness for higher-level roles. Career advancement from this position may lead to roles such as Director of Engineering, Vice President of Engineering, CTO, Chief Technology Officer, or even COO in some technical organizations. Some engineering managers also transition into product management, consulting, or entrepreneurial ventures. Conclusion. The job description of an engineering manager reflects a unique intersection of leadership, strategy, and technical know-how. These professionals are responsible for steering engineering teams toward success, ensuring that technical execution aligns with business goals and that the people behind the code, designs, or systems are supported and empowered. For individuals who enjoy problem solving, leading diverse teams, and building real-world solutions, This role offers a dynamic and rewarding career path. Whether driving innovation in a tech startup or managing large-scale infrastructure projects, engineering managers play a critical role in shaping the future of industries and technologies.